Hello, my name is Damon and I'm going to introduce you to the cosmic web. When looking up at the night sky, it is easy to see stars, constellations, and planets. These objects are mankind's only insight into the greater universe for thousands of years before it was known that at the biggest scale they formed an even more amazing structure. As modern astronomy developed, scientists discovered larger systems of the cosmos. Galaxies were first thought to be nebulae before it was understood that they were in fact distant stellar neighborhoods containing billions of stars. Before long, it was found that galaxies were part of clusters, which themselves constituted superclusters. Across millions and even billions of light years, these structures are linked through filaments of galaxies, intergalactic gas, and dark matter to form the cosmic web. This web represents the framework of the visible universe and contains everything that we have discovered. It is called a web due to the appearance of the material that forms it. Galactic clusters and superclusters clump together due to gravity and combine into arrangements known as filaments, nodes, sheets, and walls. When observing the configuration of the cosmic web, it looks like a three-dimensional spider web or rope map. If a town was a node, then filaments would be the highways connecting them all together. Walls and sheets would be thought of as larger metropolitan centers. Separating nodes and walls are areas where material is far less dense and are called voids. Filaments stretch across these open areas that are occupied by only a handful of galactic clusters instead of the typical thousands. The formation of these structures is loosely understood and is still being studied as that can hold the keys to the early universe. The largest object observed within the cosmic web is a vast collection of superclusters known as the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall. Estimates vary, but it is believed to be about 10 billion light years across and about the same distance away, whereas the biggest void is the accurately named Giant Void. This is approximately 1.5 billion light years across and a couple billion light years away. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, lies within the Pisces Cetus supercluster. Pisces Cetus is a modest filament at about 1 billion light years across and 150 million light years wide. Understanding the true scale of the cosmic web can be difficult, but it can provide an interesting perspective on the Earth's position and significance. If the Earth was the size of a golf ball, then the Pisces Cetus supercluster would extend past the nearest star, Alpha Centauri, which is about 3 light years or 19 trillion miles away. Remember, Pisces Cetus is 1 billion light years across, whereas the full size of the cosmic web is about 90 billion light years across. Discovering different aspects of the cosmic web not only provides knowledge about the current universe, but also insight all the way back to the Big Bang. The data astronomers gather has been traveling for billions of years and across these great distances to tell us about the structure and formation of the cosmic web. The fact that we can discuss such massive objects speaks to the success of humanity's scientific endeavors and stuns the mind when thinking about what we might discover in the future.